I'm going to show you all the hacks for an ultimate Norwegian summer.
And now we're in the south of Norway.
And this is actually where I've spent almost all my summers.
So Norway is not only a winter destination, and you'll see why.
Yeah, det kan jag se på. Alright Dag, now we are in the very cozy town, Grimstad.
A small little summer village here in the south of Norway.
My granddad, he actually grew up here.
Then show me everything, Katarina.
Everything?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you everything.
Okay, but don't make it look like a Wes Anderson movie, please. Along the Norwegian southern coast, there are a lot of white houses. Why is that?
Well, before, white used to be the most expensive color to paint your house. Because people didn't want to seem poor, they all painted their houses white.
And you are trying to go...
I'm very expensive today as well.
Yes.
We're gonna go to where we're gonna buy dinner for today, because today, Dag, I want to give you a very traditional Norwegian summer dinner, and we're gonna buy the most important ingredients there.
Exciting.
What's really great about these coastal towns is that you can almost always get fresh seafood. And today we're gonna eat something which I've eaten a lot here growing up. We're gonna have shrimps.
I love shrimps.
Hvor disse rekene her fra?
Det lokale.
Det lokale?
Reketrålarna här som fiskar i.
All right.
Everyone seems really happy, and that's the thing that people say about the south of Norway. They call they call it the blie Sørland. And what's that mean?
The calm, maybe?
The happy south
happy
of Norway.
south.
Yeah, but we're gonna experience more things. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Tack så mycket.
Og så må vi få litt Grimstadbrus også. Da er det fint å kjøre inn og se ved ytre Malløya her. Og så har du ved Hampholmene, som er fint.
Båt hver gang. Husk det.
Ha det bra!
How do we do this? Oh no, we're gonna lose the birds. Sånn! Det smaker som barndom.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hello there. Chilling in Grimstad.
Ja, lite nice här på sina vinkeln.
Oh, I'm floating away. Here, take the GoPro.
Okay, there are a few things that are really important to bring out in the summer and out in the sun in Norway. You want to bring sunscreen to keep your skin very nice and protected. Sunglasses, essential with your sun hat. And very important, a lovely woolen sweater, also called
Sørlandsbonad.
Sørlandsbonad. When the sun sets, it can get really quite chilly. You want to bring food and loads of drink. Stay hydrated. Going out and sitting on the svabergs like this and swimming around, having a little picnic, that's just typical Norwegian summer tradition here in the south.
So, Svaberg is everywhere along the southern coast, and you can visit it by hiking or boat.
I'm so glad I get to share this with you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Prove it. I'm so glad I get to share with you too, Katarina.
There it is, thank you. Okay, Dag, now I want to show you my very, very favorite childhood beach. You ready?
Yes. So right by our hotel is this magnificent beach.
Oh, I've spent every single summer since I was a child on this beach with my family.
You know what, Katarina? I think you should relive your beach days while I prepare some shrimp dinner for us.
What's just amazing about these beaches is that you can stay here all day, and in summer the sun just doesn't really set. What I love about this beach is just the absolutely crystal clear water, and these shells, they just remind me so much of my childhood, and my grandpa, he used to pick these shells for us, and this is just a really lovely memory for me about him. Oh, this place brings back so many childhood memories. And now we're here. Now I get to bring you guys along. I'm so happy about this. Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm so ready. So, for your ultimate Norwegian summer day, we have to have shrimps. Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, how's it going?
Ingenious.
Oh, thank you, Dag.
Of course.
For our dinner today, we're going to have something which is very, very traditional to have in summer in Norway. We're going to be having shrimps. And we're going to peel the shrimps ourselves and then put them on bread with a little bit of mayonnaise and a herb called dill. Finish off with some lemon. The perfect shrimp sandwich.
So fresh. What a way to end a fantastic day, Katarina.
This must be the best way.
Nice. I'm gonna end our beautiful stay here in Grimstad by surprising Katarina with some coffee on the bed. Where's the on switch? No. Lovely.
Wow.
I am forever your servant.
Oh.
So there we have it. Action.
I just woke up.
I think I'll pull away this. It was a bit too bright. So Grimstad is known as the Blie Sørland. What does that mean now again, Katarina?
Everyone's happy here. There's a very relaxed and nice atmosphere here.
Yeah, and close to nature.
It's been really nice for me to show you my childhood paradise.
Yeah. Awesome. So now you know that Norway can also be a summer destination. Are you keen to come visit?
Comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
See you guys.
Bye!
Bye.